Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today is quite a glittery glam look. My hair keeps getting attached to this background. So as you all probably know, Coachella is currently coming to an end, but yeah, it kind of marks the start of like festival season, so I thought I would do a festival style video, Coachella inspired of course. So yeah, this is the look I came up with, and I thought I would leave my headband on because, you know, it's kind of festival-y, so yeah, that's why I've still got my headband on. So yeah, if you would like to know how I did this look, please keep on watching, and if you do enjoy, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. So the plan of action is to recreate what I've done on this eye, however, I don't know, I kind of just went a bit crazy again. Right, I'm going to take the Lick and Lash Beauty palette. This is the 35E, and then I'm going to take the navy shade, which is this one here, and this is going to be like our main colour, and I'm just going to start packing this through the crease and down into the outer V. Right, I'm then going to go into this like reddish orangey shade. It comes out quite pink when you put it on your lid, but yeah, I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take that shade as our blending shade, so I'm going to use that colour just to blend out this blue. I'm now just going to cut out that giant cut crease, about 3/4 of the way, and I'm going to take it quite high. As you can see, like my natural crease is like, well, I'll show you on this, like where my natural crease is, like that's my natural crease, and that's how high I've taken it. So yeah, pretty dramatic, but here we go. Like that blue shade is like so pigmented that it changes the colour of the concealer. I feel like the hardest part about our cut crease is getting them to match. I'm looking at them now and I'm like, I don't think they do. In the same way as eyebrows are sisters, not twins. I'm gonna say cut creases are also sisters, are not twins. And as you can see, I'm just gonna take that cut crease further in to my inner corner, just because it just makes it look a little bit more dramatic, more like theatrical, should we say. Okay, we're gonna leave it there because I don't want to take it too far and then regret it and cry about it. So I'm gonna go into the white shade in that Lick and Lash palette and set it down. I don't think this will make a huge difference to the colour, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, so I'm just going to leave the white like that. Well, it's not really white, it's like a light blue. Obviously you can take it further if you put like a white base down, like the NYX Jumbo eye pencil in Milk or something like that, then, you know, you'll get a whiter shade, but my Jumbo eye pencil isn't sharpened and we all know how thick they are, and I don't have a thick sharpener, so I'm just going to keep it like this, but you can do whatever you prefer. And then I'm just going to go into this, I'm going to point this way, I'm going to go into this blue shade here, and as you can see on my left eye, I'm just going to place this kind of in the centre part of the lid and blend it into that sort of white light blue kind of colour. can hear like scratching. It's just my cat trying to get through the door and I'm not letting her. No. I'm evil. No, I'm only joking. She's not allowed up here because she ruins my things. And then I'm just going to go back into that navy blue that we first went in with and just blend the outer V into that like new blue that we added. Right, so to finish the look off, I'm going to go in with the NYX white liquid liner. This isn't my favourite. It tends to crack. It's already cracked on this eye, which is annoying. But yeah, I don't have anything else. So this is what I'm going to use. Right, so I'm then going to take the MAC Pigment in Warm Snow. I know I used this in my last tutorial, but I'm a little bit obsessed with it for like highlighting. So yeah, I'm going to take this and highlight with it. I'm then just going to draw quite a fine line on the top of my lid. Don't really class it as a eyeliner or a wing or anything like that. I'm literally just putting a line. Oh, and this is just the Maybelline Master Precise. And then I'm going to apply a few coats of mascara. This is the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. This liquid eyeliner is driving me mad. If anyone knows of like a good white eyeliner that like doesn't crack, let me know. And then for lashes, I'm just going to take the Peaches and Cream. These are the number 8 ones, and I'm just going to glue these down. Okay, so I don't know what the last thing you saw was because I completely forgot to time my camera, so it stopped working. Not working, stopped recording. Basically all I did was run that navy blue along the lower lash line, applied some lashes. I don't know if that was caught on camera either, and I just put some blue eyeliner into the waterline, as you can see, and applied some mascara to my lashes. That's all I did. I'm so annoyed that it was not caught on video. I like completely forgot that it stops recording. But yes, I'm now going to carry on with the rest of my face. I'm pretty sure I've got blue on my nose as well, as I've just said that. This is a total hot mess of a video, but I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I will be back to show you the finished look. Apologies that you don't get to see the low lash line, but I will be right back. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give the video a like, leave me a comment down below, and please click subscribe. And do let me know if you are going to so many festivals, because you know I'd be interested and I'm nosy. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do let me know if you did. And yeah, I will hopefully see you all very soon. Thanks everyone. Bye.